Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off push notification on Facebook. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. But before moving forward, let me tell you that there are two ways you can turn off push notification on Facebook. I'll show you both of them. First one is on Facebook app. When your Facebook app is opened, tap on the three bars on top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now scroll down to Notification section. And then tap on Notification Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the Push option. Now tap on Push. At the top you will see the Mute Push Notification option is now disabled. If you tap on that and enable it, you will be able to see that you can mute up to 8 hours. But you cannot mute it forever. But there is another way you can mute push notification on Facebook forever. For that you have to close the Facebook app and then open the Settings app. Then tap on Notifications. Then tap on See All. Now tap on Most Recent and select All. Now search for Facebook here. Now tap on Facebook. Usually the show notification is enabled. Now to turn off push notifications, all you have to do is disable the show notifications option. Now disable the show notification option. And you will not receive any push notification from Facebook. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.